Here's how to program your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener with the HomeLink system in your car. First, park your car directly outside of your garage door and make sure that there's no people or animals around, because when you start programming, the door is going to move up and down. With your vehicle parked directly in front of the garage, you will first need to erase any previous codes that were programmed to the buttons. To do this, locate the HomeLink buttons in your vehicle. They can be located in the sun visor, near the ceiling controls, or under the rear view mirror. Press and hold the two outer buttons until the HomeLink indicator light flashes. This could take up to 20 seconds. Once the light flashes rapidly, release both buttons. Now you've cleared any programmed codes to your HomeLink system. To program a HomeLink button, hold the garage door remote 1 to 3 inches from the HomeLink buttons. Press and hold the desired HomeLink button and the garage door remote button at the same time for the opener that you want to program. Do not release the buttons until the HomeLink indicator light flashes slowly and then rapidly. When the HomeLink indicator light flashes rapidly, you can release both buttons. Next, press the trained HomeLink button and notice what the HomeLink indicator light does. If the light stays solid, the button should activate your garage door opener and you're all set. If you press the home button and the indicator light flashes rapidly for 2 seconds and then goes solid, you'll need to program your HomeLink button by following these 2 steps. First, go to your garage door opener motor and locate the Learn or Smart button, which is often a square or circular colored button. You're going to press it. Once you do that, you'll have about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle. Press and hold the HomeLink button that you just trained for about 2 seconds and release. You'll need to repeat the sequence of pressing the Learn button, pressing the HomeLink button, and releasing for up to 3 times to complete the training process. If you follow these steps and you find that you still can't program the HomeLink button in your car to your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener, you may need to look into ordering a compatibility bridge. This is a piece of equipment that converts non-compatible HomeLink signals into a compatible one. I hope that helped. If it didn't and you still have problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.